In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate body mass index in Excel. If you need a quick and reliable way to calculate BMI for one person or for an entire list of entries, Excel makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enter the formula correctly and then apply it to the rest of your data in just a few seconds. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet that contains your data. You'll want to make sure your spreadsheet is already set up with the values you need. Typically, BMI is calculated using weight divided by height squared, so your data should include those two measurements in separate columns. Before entering the formula, take a moment to confirm that your numbers are in the correct rows and that you know which cells contain the weight and height values. Next, select your data area and click into the cell where you want the BMI result to appear for the first row. This is usually a new column beside your existing weight and height columns. Choosing the correct result cell is important because this first formula will become the pattern Excel uses for the rest of the rows later on. Now type the formula exactly as needed. The formula is equal sign B2 divided by open parenthesis C2 squared close parenthesis. Written out, that is equals B2 slash open parenthesis C2 caret 2 close parenthesis. In Excel format, the formula is B2 C2. This tells Excel to take the value in cell B2, divide it by the value in C2 multiplied by itself, and return the BMI result. Be careful with the parentheses since they make sure the height is squared before the division happens. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the BMI for that first row. If the result looks unusual, it's a good idea to double check that the referenced cells are correct and that the height values are in the expected format. Small input issues can affect the final result. After confirming the first calculation looks right, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the result cell until you see the fill handle. Then drag the fill handle downward to calculate the BMI for the remaining rows. Excel will automatically adjust the row references as you go, which saves a lot of time and helps keep your calculations consistent across the spreadsheet. And that's it. You've now calculated body mass index in Excel and applied the formula to all the remaining entries efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.